Are you hoping to stay active, mobile, and independent, even as you reach your 80s or 90s? It might surprise you, but the secret to strong legs and a steady stride often starts right on your dinner plate. As we get older, maintaining leg strength becomes absolutely crucial. It's not just about getting around. It's about preventing falls, staying self-reliant, and truly enjoying your golden years with confidence. Strong legs are your foundation for a vibrant, active life. So why do our legs sometimes feel weaker as we age? It's a common experience, and there are a few key reasons. One of the biggest culprits is something called sarcopenia, which is the natural, age-related loss of muscle mass and strength. Starting as early as our 30s, we can lose up to 3 to 5% of our muscle mass per decade, and this process can speed up after 60. This isn't just about feeling less powerful. It directly impacts our balance, our ability to stand up from a chair, and our overall stability. Other factors contribute too. A more sedentary lifestyle, which can become common as we age, means our muscles aren't getting the regular stimulation they need to stay strong. Hormonal changes and shifts in our metabolism also play a role, making it harder for our bodies to build and maintain muscle. Plus, sometimes our diet just doesn't provide enough of the right building blocks. But here's the good news. This is not an inevitable decline. You have the power to fight back against muscle loss, and one of the most effective ways is through nutrition. So, what is this one powerful food that can help you rebuild leg strength naturally? It's broccoli. Yes, this humble green vegetable is a powerhouse of nutrients that your muscles are crying out for, especially after 60. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Broccoli for muscle? Isn't that all about protein from meat or whey shakes? While protein is essential, broccoli brings a unique and powerful combination of nutrients to the table that specifically supports muscle health and function in older adults. Let's break down why broccoli is so special. First, it's packed with a compound called sulforaphane. Scientific studies have shown that sulforaphane can help protect our muscles. It works by activating pathways in our body that reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, two major contributors to muscle breakdown and weakness as we age. Think of it as an internal bodyguard for your muscle cells, helping them stay healthier and more resilient. This means it can help slow down the process of sarcopenia. But that's not all. Broccoli is also a fantastic source of vitamin C and vitamin K. We often associate vitamin C with our immune system, but it's also crucial for producing collagen. Collagen is the glue that holds our body together, providing structure to our muscles, tendons, and joints. Stronger collagen means more resilient connective tissues, which supports better movement and can help reduce joint pain. Vitamin K, on the other hand, is vital for bone health. Strong bones provide the frame that our muscles attach to. Without a sturdy frame, our muscles can't function effectively. So, by supporting both your muscles and your bones, broccoli provides a holistic approach to lower body strength. Furthermore, broccoli contains a decent amount of plant-based protein and fiber. The protein provides the raw materials for muscle repair and growth, while the fiber supports a healthy gut. A healthy gut is essential for absorbing all these wonderful nutrients from your food. If your digestion is off, you could be eating all the right things, but not getting the full benefit. Broccoli helps ensure your body can effectively use the fuel you give it. This comprehensive nutritional profile is what makes broccoli a true superfood for senior leg strength. You don't always need heavy weights to see improvements. Feeding your muscles the right nutrients can make a world of difference. So, how exactly does eating broccoli translate into stronger legs and better balance? When you consistently supply your body with nutrients like sulforaphane, vitamin C, and vitamin K, you're creating an environment that favors muscle maintenance and repair over muscle breakdown. The sulforaphane helps protect muscle cells from age-related damage, allowing them to function more efficiently. This can lead to improved muscle endurance and power. You might notice it's a little easier to get up from a low chair, climb a flight of stairs, or walk for longer distances without feeling fatigued. The benefits for your joints are just as important. The anti-inflammatory properties of broccoli can help soothe achy knees and hips, making movement more comfortable. When your joints feel better, you're more likely to stay active, which creates a positive cycle. More movement leads to stronger muscles, which in turn provides better support for your joints. It's a win-win. Better muscle function and less joint pain naturally lead to improved balance and a more stable gait, significantly reducing your risk of falls. This isn't about becoming a bodybuilder. It's about maintaining the functional strength you need for everyday life. To get these amazing benefits, how much broccoli should you aim to eat? The great thing is, you don't need to eat mountains of it. Most experts recommend aiming for about 1 cup of broccoli per day. This could be cooked or raw, though light steaming is often considered the best method to preserve the most nutrients, especially sulforaphane. Chopping the broccoli and letting it sit for a few minutes before cooking can also help activate this powerful compound. Making it a daily habit is key. Consistency is far more important than eating a huge amount once a week. You can easily add a cup of broccoli to your meals. Toss it into a morning omelet, add it to your lunchtime salad or soup, serve it as a side dish with dinner, or even blend it into a green smoothie. If you're not a huge fan of the taste, try roasting it with a little olive oil and garlic. It brings out a delicious, nutty flavor that many people love. The goal is to make it a simple, enjoyable part of your daily routine. Now for some bonus tips to complement your new broccoli habit and keep your legs strong for life. First, stay hydrated. Water is essential for every bodily function, including muscle function. Dehydration can lead to muscle cramps and fatigue. Second, ensure you're getting enough overall protein from various sources like lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, and lentils. Protein is the primary building block for muscle. Also, don't forget gentle, regular movement. You don't need to run a marathon. Simple activities like daily walks, chair yoga, or simple leg exercises like sit-to-stands can work wonders. Just standing up and sitting down from a sturdy chair 10 times in a row is a fantastic exercise for your leg muscles. Finally, get enough sleep. Our bodies do most of their repair work, including muscle repair, while we rest. Prioritizing 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep per night is a non-negotiable for healthy aging. In the end, keeping your legs strong as you age is one of the best investments you can make in your long-term health and happiness. It's the key to maintaining your independence, preventing falls, and continuing to do the things you love. By making a simple, powerful change like adding a daily serving of broccoli to your diet and incorporating these other healthy habits, you are taking a proactive step toward a stronger, more confident future. Your legs have carried you this far. Let's give them the fuel they need to carry you for many more years to come. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips on how to age with strength and vitality. Stay active, eat well, and we'll see you in the next video.